this is your girl Alicia Pink and welcome back to my channel. But if you are new here, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about sigils. Sigils. Sigils is basically a simple manifestation technique that you can use to manifest anything you want. You can manifest luck, you can manifest money, you can manifest a business, your wishes, you can manifest to lose weight, you can manifest to get a raise at your job, you can manifest getting more hours at your job or whatever, but sigils are also used for small manifestation techniques. Is not for long term. I've been working with sigils for a long time. This is something that I wrote in my book years ago, and these are a couple of sigils that I still use to this day. But I'm going to show you guys how you can make your own sigils. I made this sigil earlier today, and I'm going to show you guys how I made this sigil. It is simple, it is easy to do, and also I'm going to show you guys how you activate this sigil as well. So let's go over to the table and I'm going to show you guys how I made this sigil and how you can make your very own sigil as well. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how I made my own sigil. So first things first, you write down a affirmation. So I'm going to write down money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. Basically a little affirmation like that. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. So then you want to do is cross out the vowels like A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. So I have a couple of vowels here, so I cross them out. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Okay, so once you do that, you write out the remaining letters. So I have M, N, a Y. Oh, wait, nope, no Y, no Y. Sometimes Y, right? So M, N, C, another M, a S, a T, a M, a N, a X, a P, a C, a T and a D, a N and a D, a X and a C and a T, W, Y, S. So I have a few words here. Crossing that out. But I have like a few words here, okay, that I have. And so you don't want all these letters. You don't want all these letters. So you cross out the repeating letters, okay? So whatever letter is repeated, you cross it out. You only want one letter. So I have 1, 2, 3 M's. So I cross out 2 and I leave 1 in. M. I have 1, 2 N's. I cross out 1 and I leave 1 in. I have 1, 2, 3 C's. I cross out 2 and I leave 1 C. I have 1, 2 S's. I cross out 1, I leave 1 S. I have how many? I have 3 T's. So I cross out 2 I leave one. I have only one P. I have two D's. I cross out one. I leave two. I have two N's. I cross out one. I only have one X and one. I have two X's. So I leave one. I have a M N C W Y P D. So I write down the remaining letters: M N C S T P D X W Y. So these are the remaining letters that I have, basically. So those remaining letters, I use those remaining letters to make my sigil. Okay. So it's a simple way to make your sigil. So it's a basic way to make your sigil. So you just basically like draw a circle. Boom. Nothing simple. And the remaining letters, you use the remaining letters to make your sigil. So I have an M, so I'm going to draw an M in here. I have a N, so I'm going to use my N. I have a C, so I'm going to use my C. I have an S, so I'm going to use my S. I have a T, I'm going to use my T. And once you do that, you cross out the letters. So I have M, N, C, S, T, P, D, X, W, then O, Y. Boom, there you have it. I have my sigil. It doesn't have to be perfect. Be simple like this. And there you have it. You have your sigil. And then what you want to do is you want to cut it out. You want to cut it out. And then I'm going to go to the desk and I'm going to show you guys how you can activate this sigil. Okay, guys. So, see how easy it is to make the sigil. Very simple, to the point, and easy. Also, how you activate the sigil is very easy. First things first, you can just look at it and stare at it and just say, your affirmation. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. Just meditate with it, stare at it, and chant it. And until as much as you feel like the money is going to be coming to you and that it's yours, and until it's, you feel like it's activated. And then after you do that, you can burn it. And you can put your ashes, either throw your ashes outside of a window or whatever you want to do. You can put your ashes inside of a river, because it's the way you're basically releasing this symbol to the universe, basically, And there are also other ways you can activate the sigil. You can work out, and because working out is a form of releasing, so you can work out and you can put your sweat onto the sigil, your bodily fluids, and that is one way you can activate your sigil. And you can meditate with it as well again, and you can burn it and release it. Also, you can do some grown-up things like masturbation. And when you release, you can put your fluids onto this sigil, and basically that's how you can activate your sigil as well. and then you can burn it. You can do this sigil as many times as you want. You can do it every day if you want to. You can do this for 7 days if you want to. It's totally up to you and how you want to do this. Like I said, you could also go on Pinterest or Google and you can find sigils that are already out there. If you don't want to make your own, this is a great sigil for luck. This is a sigil for your deepest wishes to come true. This is a sigil for your company to do well, or if you're trying to start a new company up. This is a great sigil to get investors and to find the money to get your company started as well. So if you don't want to make your own sigil, that's fine. That's fine. You can always go on Pinterest or Google and find sigils, and you can do it that way as well. You know, you can also take a picture of a sigil and put it on your phone as a screenshot, and you can manifest like that as well. I've done that and it has happened. It worked for me. So, you know, guys, easy manifestation technique. And yeah guys, I hope you guys liked this video and enjoyed it. And if you like more videos like this, I suggest you check out my playlist. It's called Alicia Pink Spirituality Videos. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Also hit that notification bell. Also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I will link everything down below in the description box. Check out the description box. You know, there you can contact me and help support the channel as well. And thank you guys for watching. Have an amazing day, and bye.